Kill cockroaches with just a piece of ginger. Those pesky insects will disappear immediately. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever experienced this horrible scene? You were thirsty in the middle of the night, turned on the light and saw cockroaches crawling across? Not to mention they leave behind disgusting traces of gnawed food, carrying dozens of dangerous bacteria. What a family enemy number one. But you will be surprised. No need for toxic chemicals, no need for annoying sticky traps right in the kitchen. Just a branch of ginger is enough to become a magic weapon against cockroaches. This spice, which is only used to flavor dishes, is extremely effective in dealing with stubborn cockroaches. Today, I will guide you how to use a branch of ginger to easily kill cockroaches, helping you say goodbye to those annoying insects in your house, safely and naturally. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, prepare a fresh ginger root. Rinse ginger under running water. Then place the prepared ginger on a clean cutting board. You can slice it thinly with a knife or smash it with the back of a knife. Don't be lazy at this step. Slicing will release more of the ginger's spicy juice through the cut surface. Crushing breaks down the ginger's cellular structure, allowing more of the allicin and other volatile pungent compounds to be released. Next, chop finely. During this process, you will smell a strong, pungent smell. That is the sign that the ginger is starting to work its insect-repelling properties. The more carefully the ginger is prepared, the more effective it is in repelling cockroaches. Then put all the ginger in a clean bowl. Add 3 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. The surfactant ingredients in dishwashing liquid will destroy the protective oil layer on the surface of cockroaches' bodies, causing them to quickly dehydrate while also causing paralysis and poisoning. When the 2 ingredients are ready, add enough hot water to the bowl. Then stir well. Hot water temperature will help the spicy active ingredients in ginger to be released more thoroughly. At the same time, completely dissolve the dishwashing liquid ingredients so that the 2 work together more strongly. After stirring well, remember to cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. And soak for 20 minutes. During this time, the spicy properties from the ginger continue to seep into the water and mix completely with the active ingredients in the dishwashing liquid. Once soaked, it is ready to use. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If you have a small spray bottle, simply strain the solution and pour it into it for convenient, precise spraying. Otherwise, take a clean empty plastic bottle, pour the solution in, then poke a few small holes in the cap, and you have a simple cockroach spray. Focus on spraying in the corners of the kitchen where cockroaches often hide, such as the gaps between the cabinets and the floor. These are dark, damp places with stagnant water, making them ideal for cockroaches to nest. They often hide here during the day and come out to hunt for food at night. Especially the storage areas and cupboards, which often contain cockroach eggs and larvae, need to be sprayed thoroughly. The water pipes under the sink and the area around the drain are always wet, can contain leftover food, also need to be treated. Dark, humid environment combined with the potential food source makes this place a safe house for cockroaches. After spraying thoroughly, the solution will penetrate deep into the cracks. When cockroaches crawl over and come into contact with Allicin and detergent, they will gradually lose their ability to move and have no chance of survival. When spraying, don't just spray the surface, but aim for wall joints, table edges, and hidden corners of cabinets. When cockroaches run through the sprayed area, the protective layer of fat on their bodies is destroyed. They quickly lose water and die under the continuous impact of the solution, blocking their way to find food. Don't forget the trash can. The inside and outside of the trash can often have food scraps and dirty water on them, making it easy for flies to fly around the house. In particular, the gap between the bottom and the side of the trash can is where cockroaches gather. Even the bottom of the trash can should not be missed. Spray several times to cover the hiding places. When cockroaches crawl through this area, the pungent smell of ginger will stimulate their nerves, and the dishwashing liquid will poison them, causing them to die quickly. The dual power of ginger and dishwashing liquid combines to create a protective net that leaves cockroaches with nowhere to hide. If you're worried about spraying the solution all over your house, making it greasy, there's a gentler alternative. Prepare a clean bowl. Add a little baking soda. The reason baking soda can kill cockroaches is because of its chemical properties. Cockroaches' digestive systems cannot break down baking soda. When eaten, baking soda reacts with stomach acid, producing a lot of carbon dioxide gas, causing the cockroach's intestines to swell and explode. This is a safe, effective physical killing method that is also friendly to humans and pets. Then add 1 to 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Sugar acts as bait. Next, add half a teaspoon of detergent. Mix all three. Cockroaches are extremely sensitive to sweet tastes. The smell of sugar will lure them to eat, making them lose their guard. The detergent and alkali in washing powder both increase the killing efficiency and destroy the protective oil layer on the body, causing cockroaches to lose water. The powder form helps the mixture stick easily. Cockroaches can carry it back to the nest, and other cockroaches in the nest can also be infected when eating together or licking each other. Mix baking soda, sugar, and detergent into a white powder mixture. Place on small plates in places where cockroaches often appear. Corner of the cabinet. Under the kitchen. Next to the trash can. Cockroaches are attracted by the sweet smell of sugar, will eat or bring it back to the nest. When swallowed, the gas reaction in the body occurs quickly, combined with the effect of detergent, causing them to die in a short time. The powder brought back to the nest also spreads to kill other cockroaches. Just leave it for a few days and you will see a marked reduction in cockroach numbers, a simple solution to a household nuisance. Another way to kill cockroaches in the house, with just a little cooking oil in plastic bottles or discarded beer cans, we can make an effective cockroach trap without using toxic chemicals. I used 2 traps, 1 plastic bottle. Vai mod Colombia. Cut off the top of the plastic bottle, keeping the body. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Turn the cut end of the bottle upside down, creating an inverted funnel inside the body of the bottle. Pour about 1 to 2 centimeters of cooking oil into the bottom of the bottle. Just a thin layer is enough. Add a little sweet bait like sugar or honey to attract cockroaches. Tape the bottle mouth shut so the funnel doesn't move. I kept the beer can intact, just added cooking oil. And the way into the beer can. Next, shake the bottle so that the cooking oil sticks to the side of the bottle so that cockroaches that fall in will not be able to crawl up. Place traps in places where cockroaches often appear, such as kitchen corners, under the sink, behind the refrigerator, or near the trash can. Cockroaches will crawl in because of the smell of the bait, but once they are in the bottle, they will slide down the oil layer and will not be able to crawl out. You should check the trap every 2 to 3 days, changing the oil and bait as needed. Keep the kitchen area clean to prevent cockroaches from coming back. With just a little bit of ingenuity and a few items available in the house, you have a safe, odorless, non-toxic, and extremely effective way to kill cockroaches. Have you learned how to make ginger spray and baking soda trap, cooking oil trap to kill cockroaches today? If you find it useful, don't forget to like, follow, and share this cockroach killing tip with your friends. I will continue to share more great tips in the next issue. See you again!